up. Nobody's coming to save you except for yourself. Nobody's going to hand you your success on a silver plate. This life, it's messy, it's brutal, it's wild, and it doesn't wait for anybody. Today we are going to talk about self-doubt. How you miss out so many things just because you're doubting yourself. You're letting your insecurity about anything take over you and take the decisions of your life just because you are not self-aware. You have no idea what you are capable of doing, how great of a person you can be just only after if you stop doubting yourself. Put the doubts at aside, put the decisions, put the perspective of what other people would think about you and your decisions. If you're gonna put that aside, you are capable of doing great things, and you must know that. There are a lot of times when we stop, or we just quit something, or we do not even take that step to quit. We just stop before even starting because we think that what others will think of us. लोग क्या सोचेंगे, ये इंसान मेरे बारे में क्या सोचेगा, ये ऐसा होगा, ये वैसा होगा. We just drop that fear of making everybody happy, because no one in this world would be happy for you. हर ज़रूरी नहीं है, बहुत सारे लोग खुश होंगे, लेकिन हर वक्त हर कोई आपकी बातों से ज़रूरी नहीं है कि वो खुश हो. It's literally impossible to make everyone happy and satisfy their needs and their happiness. The only person you should care about is yourself. जब तक आप अपने आप को खुश रख रहे हैं, there is nothing in this world that's wrong. जिस दिन आपने अपनी खुशियों को sacrifice करना छोड़ दिया because of what people would think, then it's over. Because जिस दिन आप दूसरों की चीज़ों को अपनी life decisions, दूसरों की decisions को अपनी life decisions के ऊपर take over करने लगे, उस दिन it's over for you. Because life is already so messed up, so wild, that when you let others do things for you and decide what is best for you, then it's literally wildest thing you can ever do for yourself. It's literally, everything is inevitable. Nothing in this world, you cannot stop anything from happening. If it has to happen, it will happen. But just because आप ये सोचें कि अगर ऐसा होगा वैसा होगा, उससे पहले ही आप सोचना शुरू हो जाएं, you do not even start, then I do not know why do you think like that. बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे होते हैं जो बोलते हैं that we are not lucky enough to experience this, we are not lucky, we are unlucky, we are this. Why in the hell would you think like that? Do you have any idea? Have you ever searched about your existence, about how lucky you are that you are born? Person like I am born among 4 trillion people. Like 4 trillion लोगों में से I was one who was born. Same goes with you. Out of 4 trillion people, one person is born. So if you're born, you were chosen. You were the chosen one from Him, from the God, from Allah. He chose you for being there in this world, for the existence. We do not know what is the purpose of existence except for religious purposes we know, and some other stuff. I'm not going to go in religious depths because obviously that's something controversial and I do not want to create any controversy. But at the end of the day, we do not know what is the purpose of existence except for doing great things, for doing stuff that could help people out there. We could help the society. Look at those people who you idealize, the people who are ideals for millions of people now, and they can be anybody, but those people were literally normal human beings that we now consider as our ideals. They were very average human being, and not exactly the next day, took them a while, but they took the first step, and now if you see them, they are literally skyrocketing, they're touching the skies, they are literally the best people. Everybody is literally capable of doing so many great things, but we just step back. We do not take that first step, or we just step back just because we are afraid of letting anybody down, letting that nobody would understand us, that our perspective over life would hurt others. And why do we do this? Why do we sacrifice our happiness for everybody else when we know that that certain thing would be the best for us? You can literally imagine yourself your future self in a position and idealize that yourself, your future self, and work hard. Why do we expect people to remain same? Why do we say that, there's sometimes there are people like, do not ever change yourself, you're so perfect. How as a person not able, how in the world a person cannot change? I'm literally a 360-degree different person from what when I was born. The kind of person I was when I was born, I'm completely different person. The Maya you're seeing right now would have never thought that I would be able to speak like this in front of hundreds of people. Right now I'm in front of the camera, but even if I would have to speak all this stuff in front of thousands of people, I will. And this self of mine would have never thought, like the 12-year Maya or the 10-year-old Maya would have never thought that she would be able to speak like this, would be able to open up herself like this. I have been a people pleaser all of my life, but at one point I knew that pleasing every single body, every single person in your life is not possible at all. There will be someone or the other who will disagree with whatever decision you are gonna think and whatever decision you're gonna decide to do. So there is no point in satisfying the needs of everybody else when you know that whatever you're doing is satisfying your needs, your decisions. Do that. You have always got the two options: listen to the doubt or break its neck with the action. If you're gonna let the doubt creep in to yourself, if you keep thinking of what people will think, you will never be able to make it past this position of your life to any other. You will never exceed. You will never accelerate in your life if you just keep thinking about what people will think. So stop thinking, stop thinking about how to make others happy while sacrificing your happiness, because sacrificing your happiness and keeping others happy will never result in good things. I'm not saying to let people down and treat them bad. I'm just saying that to keep yourself in the first position, prioritize yourself, and never feel insecure about how you look, how you speak, what kind of position you are in. An impact can be made by anyone without consideration of how they look, how do they speak, and कौन सी जगह से वो belong करते हैं, कौन सी country से belong करते हैं, वो कौन से religion से belong करते हैं. Impact कोई भी ला सकता है if they want to. So just keep that in mind and conquer this world in any possible way you can, and bring an impact in this life, in your life, and do great things which you know that you are capable of. And even if you do not know, you are capable of doing great things. Like एक story है, it says that एक lion होता है, सही है. Everybody knows, we are taught this in the school life. हर जगह में यही बताया जाता है कि एक lion, he is the king of the forest. वो एक जंगल का बादशाह कहलाया जाता है. किसी ने उसको वो टाइटल नहीं दिया है. It's the king himself itself जो ये समझता है कि वो king है. उसके अंदर doubt नहीं है. He believes in himself that lion. वरना उससे बड़े कितने एनिमल्स थे. There's elephant, there's crocodile, there's a giraffe जो सबसे tallest animal है. वो बोले मैं सबसे ऊंचा हूँ. So I've got, लेकिन there's wolf, there's fox, कितने animals हैं. लेकिन सिर्फ जो बिलीफ सिस्टम है वो लायन के पास इतना है, उसको पता है कि मैं केपेबल हूँ सबको डराने का. मैं सबके ऊपर मेरी एक क्या बोले पावर है. इट्स दैट बिलीफ इन हिमसेल्फ कि वो वहाँ का किंग है. नोबडी हैज इंटाइटल्ड हिम टू बी द किंग. ही हिमसेल्फ मेड दिस क्लियर दैट ही इज़ द किंग. और सब लोग उस पर बिलीव करते हैं. कोई आके ये नहीं बोलता कि नहीं तुम किंग नहीं हो, मैं सबसे बड़ा हूँ तो मैं किंग होना चाहिए. नो, वो बोलता है इतने कॉन्फिडेंटली, वो अपने आप को शो करता है. हिज वॉक, हिज एटीट्यूड, द एटीट्यूड ऑफ द लायन वो ऐसा है कि सबको उस चीज़ पे बिलीव हो जाता है कि वही किंग है फॉरेस्ट का. एक होता है कि नॉट हैविंग सेल्फ डाउट एंड थिंकिंग दैट यू आर द बेस्ट एंड यू कैन डू, बट देयर इज दिस वन थिंग दैट्स कॉल्ड हैविंग सुपीरियोरिटी, having that boastfulness कि आप boast करें अपनी powers को. Second thing is that do not ever give up. Your fight is with yourself, not anybody else's. It's me versus me, or you versus you, not anybody else. जब तक आप अपने आप से नहीं जीतेंगे, आप किसी और से जीत ही नहीं सकते. So first think of winning from yourself. जब इस दिन आप अपने आप से खुद जीतेंगे, अपने self doubt को साइड पे करके, that's when your real win will be. And that's your real win. किसी और से जीतना is okay, but winning yourself you should be the first goal of your life. That is it for today's video, guys, the only thing that I wanted to convey was that do not lose yourself while making others happy, and do not have self-doubt at all, because you are great, you're unique, you're beautiful, you're pretty, and you're just amazing in every single way. So guys, I just finished up recording my video, and I heard mama crying, like not just वो हल्का सा आंसू वाला crying, like full on crying, and that is like mama ro rahi because mama is missing Muhammad Ali, and yeah, we just going to pick them up from school. So yeah, let's go. And I had to wake up early today. मतलब मेरी छुट्टियों का मुझे फ़ायदा ही नहीं, लाइक लोग बोलते हो छुट्टियों में बहुत जल्दी देर से उठते हैं, पर मुझसे नहीं देर से उठा जाता. एंड आई एम लिटरली a person who wakes up early in the morning, like not very early, but like early in a sense, like 8 or 9ish I wake up even in my holidays. So yeah, I'm going to pick them up. So अभी हम लोग आए मैकडोनल्ड्स, क्योंकि मैंने अली से मामा को जो है सरप्राइज़ दिया था, हमने उनको स्कूल से पहले पिक किया, एंड नाउ वी आर हियर एट मैकडोनल्ड्स फॉर ब्रेकफास्ट. जब गए वहाँ पे PRO ऑफिस, दैट इज़ पेरेंट्स रिलेशन ऑफिस, बीकन हाउस का, तो वो बोलते हैं कि ये मेरी इतनी मतलब आई गेस 40 ईयर्स से वो काम कर रही हैं लाइक बीकन हाउस में. शी इज़ लाइक इतने टाइम में मेरा फर्स्ट टाइम हुआ होगा कि समवन हैज़ come to pick their child up because they were missing them, and you're like, okay, we are the we are supposed to make world record. This is first time for every single thing. So yeah, that's pretty much that. अभी हम अंदर जाते हैं. हम अली मामा से पूछते हैं कि उनको कैसा लगा हमारा सरप्राइज, हमने जो उनको सडनली पिक कर लिया. नहीं, तुम बताओ तुम्हें कैसा लगा हमने जब तुम्हें पिक किया? अच्छा लगा. Were you expecting us there? You were not expecting us. फिर तुम्हें अच्छा नहीं लगा था लास्ट टाइम? तुम वही वाला ले लो, ये स्पाइसी है, हम वही वाला देते हैं. और वेटिंग फॉर कॉफी. तो मौका पर आ चुकी है. दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक. आई थॉट इट थोड़ी लाइट हो, बट इट्स वे टू डार्क, बहुत ज़्यादा डार्क. यदि आपको क्या लग रहा है ट्राई किए हुए कैसी होगी है? मुझे लग रहा है कि डंकिन डोनट को बीट यदि को डंकिन डोनट्स के अलास्का मौका के अलावा कहीं और की आइस कॉफ़ी नहीं पसंद. सोचा कि मैं इसे कुछ ऐड करवा लूँ चॉकलेट सिरप, वो थोड़ा माइल्ड हो जाए इसका फ्लेवर, लेकिन जब आप ऐड करवाएंगी तो ख़राब हो जाएगी. सो वी कैन नॉट डू दैट. सो हमने इसको थोड़ा चेंज करवाया. सो उन्होंने बोला हमको मिल्क ऐड कर दें और व्हिप क्रीम ऐड कर रही है. और ऐसी हाउ इट है. कौन सी शादी करने जा रहे हैं? 2 लाख में चली गई. पहले बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग हो रही थी, अब माइल्ड हो गई है, वे बेटर. सही था. आपको कराची की बेस्ट कॉफ़ी सब हम ट्राई करवाएंगे. क्या आप डंकिन से बाहर निकले? मज़ा आ गया.